So a lot of people don't know this. A lot of people don't know that Ahrefs has this alerts feature. But if you click on the More button at the top right of Ahrefs, or the middle right, a kind of extended menu comes up. If you go to alerts there and then the backlinks tab, you can set new alerts, weekly, daily, monthly, and you can plug in whichever competitors you want. And it will let you know, if you select the option, new links which that website is acquiring. So you basically get a weekly digest of all the new links that your competitors are getting into your email, or into your VA's email, or whoever needs to action it. And you can then look through each of those links and say, oh, how did they get that? Is that a guest post? Oh, well, if they got a guest post, maybe I should outreach for a guest post. Or is it something else? Have they produced some new cool piece of content that seems to be doing really popular? Can we learn anything from this? Can we produce something similar, or can we produce something better? Or do we have any new ideas based on that? It just kind of like feeds the inputs for everything you need to do for link building, builds you and brings you a continuous list of prospects you can input into your link building machine, which you hopefully have set up in the rest of your business.